In condensed matter physics, a time crystal is a quantum system of particles whose lowest energy state is one in which the particles are in repetitive motion. The system cannot lose energy to the environment and come to rest because it is already in its quantum ground state. Because of this, the motion of the particles does not really represent kinetic energy like other motion. It has motion without energy. Time crystals were first proposed theoretically by Frank Wilczek in 2012 as a time-based analog to common crystals. Whereas the atoms in crystals are arranged periodically in space, the atoms in a time crystal are arranged periodically in both space and time. 1. Several different groups have demonstrated matter with stable periodic evolution in systems that are periodically driven. 2, 3, 4, 5. In terms of practical use, time crystals may one day be used as quantum computer memory. 6. The existence of crystals in nature is a manifestation of spontaneous symmetry breaking, which occurs when the lowest energy state of a system is less symmetrical than the equations governing the system. In the crystal ground state, the continuous translational symmetry in space is broken and replaced by the lower discrete symmetry of the periodic crystal. As the laws of physics are symmetrical under continuous translations in time as well as space, the question arose in 2012 as to whether it is possible to break symmetry temporally, and thus create a time crystal resistant to entropy. 1. If a discrete time translation symmetry is broken, which may be realized in periodically driven systems, then the system is referred to as a discrete time crystal. A discrete time crystal never reaches thermal equilibrium, as it is a type, or phase, of non-equilibrium matter. Breaking of time symmetry can only occur in non-equilibrium systems. 5 discrete time crystals have in fact been observed in physics laboratories as early as 2016, published in 2017. One example of a time crystal, which demonstrates non-equilibrium, broken time symmetry is a constantly rotating ring of charged ions in an otherwise lowest energy state.